Namaskaram. Shri Mahaganapatiye Namaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Mailpili. In today's clip, we shall chant, learn and understand the slokas of Narayaniam, Dashakam 10. Let us chant the slokas and then understand the meaning. This Dashakam talks about the variety of creation of Lord Brahma. Dashakam 10, Shloka 1. वैकुण्ठवर्धितबलोत भवत्प्रसादात् अम्बोजयोनिरसृजत् किल जीवदेहान् स्तास्नूनि भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चां जातिं मनुष्यनिवहानपि देवभेदान्. In this shloka, Bhattadri says, O Lord of Vaikuntha, Guruvayurappa, Brahmadeva, after being equipped with more power, by your grace, starts creating plants which grow in the soil and then creates moving beings like animals and birds, irrational animals, different types of men and gods and all the living beings. Dashakam 10, Shloka 2. Mityagrahasmi mati ragavikopa-bhiti रज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविदां च सृष्ट्वा उद्धामतामसपदात्तविधानधूनः तेने त्वदीयचरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्ययै. Lord Brahma then created the 5 different types of emotions generated by ignorance, namely pride, egoism, attachment, anger and fear. Saddened at having created these objects of a tamasic nature, Lord Brahma meditated on the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord for purifying himself and as an atonement for his action of this creation which has generated emotions of ignorance. Dashakam 10, Shloka 3. Tavat sasarja manasa sanakam sanandham bhuyas sanata munim cha sanat kumaram te srushti karmani tu tena nijyamanaha tvatpada bhakti rasika jagruhurnavani. Then Lord Brahma, by using his mind, created 4 sages called Sanaka, Sanandha, Sanatana and Sanat Kumara to develop the activity of creation. These sages, who are known as the Sanakadis, were the first creation of Lord Brahma to take on the activity of creation. Lord Brahma deputes these sages to carry on with the work of creation, but these sages were extremely devoted to the Lord and were not interested in the activity of creation. These sages were created by Lord Brahma when his Sattva Guna was on the upper hand. The Sattva Guna of Lord Brahma was dominant when he created these Sanakadi sages. These Sanakadi sages refused to obey to Lord Brahma and were not interested in creation. Instead, these sages were very busy in praying to the Supreme Lord and expressing their deep devotion unto him, is what Bhattadri says in this shloka. Dashakam 10, Shloka 4. Tavat prakopamuditam pratirundatosya bhumadhyato jani mrudho bhavadekadeshah नामानि मे कुरु पदानि चहा विरिञ्चेति यादौ रुरोद किल तेन sarudranamam. When these Sanakadi sages did not listen to Lord Brahma and obey his instructions to go about the activity of creation, Lord Brahma was very enraged. He tried to control his anger, and just then there sprang up between Brahma's eyebrows Brida, who was a part of the Supreme Lord's own self. Mrida cried out to Brahma to give him a name and allot him a place, so he called this Mrida as Rudra, or one who cries. So that's how Mrida, who was created when Brahma was trying to control his anger, which comes when a Rajoguna of a person is dominant. So anger is something when people's Rajoguna is dominant. This is the emotion that comes out, and Brahmadeva also was very enraged when the Sanakadis refused to go about or carry out the activity of creation, and at the time of controlling his anger, in between his eyebrows, from there sprang up Mrida, who cried out and was given the name of Rudra, or one who cries. Dashakam 10, Shloka 5. Ekadashahvayataya cha vibhinna rupam Rudram vidaya dayita vanitascha dattva Tavat yadatta cha padani bhavat pranunaha Praha prajavirachanaya cha sadharam tam. Here Bhattadri asks the Lord, then it was as per your suggestions, Lord Brahma gave 11 names to Mrida or Rudra and grants 11 suitable forms and gives wives to all the 11 forms. He also grants all the 11 forms suitable positions and tells Rudra to now engage himself in the activity of procreation. Dashakam 10, Shloka 6. Rudra visrushtabhayadakruti rudra sangha Sampuryamana bhuvanatraya bhita chetaha Mama praja srujata paschara manghalayeti Yachashtatam kamala bhurvavadiritatma. In this shloka, Bhattadri says, Rudra created multitudes of Rudraganas of terrifying appearance, and when they began to spread all over the three worlds, Brahma became thoroughly scared. The Rajoguna was dominant in Rudra, and hence he created Rudraganas of terrifying appearance. Then, urged by the Supreme Lord, Brahma directed Rudra to stop creation and go and do penance instead. For the welfare of the world, it was very necessary to stop Rudra from carrying on with the activity of creation. Dashakam 10, Shloka 7. Tasyatya sargarasikasya marichiratrihi Tatrangira kratumuni pulah pulastyaha Angadajayata bhruguscha vasishtha dakshau Shinaradascha bhagavan bhavadangridasaha. After Rudra went away to do penance, Brahma again started the work of creation. It is said that from various parts of his body he created the 10 great sages, namely Marichi, Atri, Angiras, Kratu, Pulaha, Pulastya, Bhrigu, Vasishtha, Daksha and Narada. Among these sages, Sage Narada was an ardent devotee of the Supreme Lord, is what Bhattadri says in this shloka. Dashakam 10, Shloka 8. Dharmadikana visrujanatakardhamam cha Vanim vidaya vidirangaja sankhulo bhut Twadvo vidairasanaka daksha mukhaistanujaihi Rudbodhitascha virarama tamo vimunchan. Then Lord Brahma created Dharmadeva and Kardama, followed by Vani or Saraswati. Brahma was then smitten by love at the sight of his own creation Saraswati or Vani. But his sons Sanaka and Daksha, urged by the Supreme Lord, persuaded Lord Brahma to give up this lowly desire of lust or kama, which was born of ignorance. Dashakam 10, Shloka 9. Vedan Purana Nivahanapi Sarva Vidyaha कुर्वन् निजाननगणाश्चतुराननोऽसौ पुत्रेषु तेषु विनिधाय ससर्गवृद्धिं प्राप्नुवंस्तव पदाम्बुजमाश्रितोऽभूत्. Here Bhattadri says, then from his 4 faces Lord Brahma produced the Vedas, the Puranas and all other sciences and knowledge and gave them to his sons. Unable to make any further progress in the work of creation, Lord Brahma takes refuge at the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord, is what we can understand in this shloka. Dashakam 10, Shloka 10. जानन्नुपायमतदेहमजो विभज्य स्त्रीपुंसभावमभजन्मनुतत्वदुभ्यां ताभ्यां च मानुषकुलानि विवर्धयंस्त्वं गोविन्दमारुतपुरेश निरुन्धिरोगान्. Here Bhattadri says, after contemplating on the lotus feet of the Lord Brahma understands the strategy of multiplying creation, and then he splits his body into 2 halves, and each half became Manu, the male form, and Shatarupa, the female form. Shatarupa became the wife of Manu. O Lord Govinda, who lives in the town of Guruvayur, you thus started multiplying the human race through Manu and Shatarupa. I pray unto you to cure me of all my diseases and save me from all my afflictions. Bhattadri, as usual in his last shloka in every dashakam, prays to the Lord to save him and free him of all the pain and disease. Hare Krishna. Govinda Nama Sankirtanam. Govinda Govinda. Narayana Akila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. Shri Hare Namaha. Shri Mahaperiyava Sharanam.